Fuck, there's a swarm of them. Look above. No!
Holy crap. Have they stopped? No, the back out.
As soon as you have a look, fuck off.
Holy crap.
Nobody shot me. Look. I don't trust them. I hate these guys.
Yeah, but one's on its back and the other one's just like attacking it.
Laying into it.
Holy crap, they've got wings stuck. Oh no, the beak again.
First one with the one in #1 red shorts.
How about there's 3 of them now?
One of them's going to get battered. That third one just made it unfair.
Yeah, you fly away.
You fuck.
Yeah, wait, he's chasing him.
He's coming at us.
Whoa. They're off. Wait, oh. They're gone on, they know the back.
There's 2 of them versus 1. Land seen there, they're over there.
I don't know if that's one. Oh, I can't bother.